Hey gang, Bill Storm here, international speaker and peak performance strategist for the Tony Robbins companies. Hey, today I want to talk to you a little bit about changing your personal rules for success. If you want to accelerate your personal growth, the first thing that we need to learn is that we need to unlearn what's worked for us in the past, right? Yes, I said unlearn, right? Because in order to grow, we need to outgrow our current habits and behaviors. Because if we continue to do what we're currently doing, well, obviously we're going to get the same result. If you're expecting anything other than that, that would be like the definition of insanity, right? Doing the same thing over and over again and expecting a different result. So what we need to understand is, if you want to grow, you need to understand that what got you to where you are now isn't going to get you to where you want to go. In fact, the late great Jim Rohn, who was Tony Robbins' mentor, said this. I'm going to read it because I don't want to miss any of it, okay? Jim Rohn said, if you want to have more, you have to become more. For things to change, you have to change. For things to get better, you have to become better. If you improve, everything will improve for you. If you grow, your money will grow, your relationships, your health, your business, and every external effect will mirror that growth in equal correlation. So that being said, I wanted to let you know that I'm going to be doing a free training workshop on this inside my Facebook group, which is called Bill Storm Speaks. If you'd like to join it, it's absolutely free. It has all the insider secrets behind everything, all things Tony Robbins, okay? And you can find it, just go to my website, billstorm.com, and you'll find a button to click on it and join the group. And then, of course, you'll get an invite to participate in that live training session. Now, what are we going to be doing during that live training session? Well, the first thing that we're going to be doing is we're going to be working on unlearning some of the limiting beliefs, patterns, and behaviors that have been holding you back from achieving the results you want in your business and personal life. And then I'm going to show you how to replace them with new empowering beliefs, patterns, and habits that will help you get to where you want to go, right? To be able to create the life you want, need, and deserve. So again, if you'd like to participate in that, first step is just to go to my website, billstorm.com, and find that link and join the free Facebook group, because that's where the training is going to take place. Now, I also wanted to let you know that if you really want to accelerate your growth, the next UPW event, which stands for Unleash the Power Within, Tony's most sought after event, the next event is going to be July 14th through the 17th. So if you'd like to attend that, please also make sure that you reach out to me so that I can hook you up with some discounted tickets. So I hope you enjoyed this message today. I hope you'll enjoy me for that free training. And until next time, have an amazing day, and we'll talk to y'all real soon.